Hello my darlings, welcome. I am C and this is CJ DIY. Today I got super easy, very quick makeover. I'm gonna show you how I make over my bench and my chairs from my breakfast bar. And you can see partial of that leather material is damaged thanks to my little puppy. You're gonna meet him in a second. Fiki, the main culprit. As cute as he is, 99% angel, but that little 1% can cause damages, as you saw. So meet Fiki, my cute as a button puppy. He's right here. Look at him. He's like a cartoon. And just like that, he damaged my bench. So now, let's get back to work. I removed the top pieces of my bench, and I'm gonna cover it with this vintage French print material, and I'm just gonna open it to see where I'm gonna and what part I'm gonna use. However, first I iron it well so it can be nice and smooth, and after that I'm gonna cut off the material as much as I need it for my bench, and simple as that, we're gonna staple the back of this top part of my bench. I flip it over on the back side, and I'm covering the edges first. And I'm gonna do as strong as I can with my staple gun. First, I'm gonna try to staple the edges so to make the material sturdy. And then I'm gonna go all over around the frames of this cushion. As you can see, as I told you, first I'm going at the four corners just to make the material tight, and I'm just pushing it as tight as I can because we want this material to be nice and smooth when we flip it over and we put it back to the wooden pieces. And now I'm just going around the edges with the staple gun. I didn't remove that black material on the back because you never know, we can always change this material again. So if you want to do the full makeover, you can remove that black material that is in the middle of the bench. You know what I'm talking about. And then after you staple gun all this new material that you're adding, you can add that black material on top of it. But it's going to look nice. I'm going to show you. This time I just wanted to show you simple makeover that you don't even need to use any paint, but you never know. I always do makeovers in my house, so you never know, maybe I'm gonna use paints in the future because I always like to do makeovers in my house. But for now, I think it's gonna look super cute. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Now that I staple gun each corner on each side and the sides, I want to see how nice and sturdy it looks and smooth. I'm adding extra staples on the side as well. And now I'm just cutting the extra fabric, but no worries, we can always repurpose this material using some funky bows, some ruffles for our future decorations, because I am in love with this material. If you are watching my channel, you see that I use this material on some of my flips, and I made such a cute French trunk, and it's gonna match perfectly with this breakfast bar as well. Now the first part is done for my bench. I'm just gonna clean it up with my Ladybug mini vacuum cleaner and it cleaned up so well, just like that, and it looks like brand new when you see it, like we bought this bench just now. Super cute. What do you think? I am in love with this. Today I am so happy that I'm a part of another Thrift Flip Road Trip Open Challenge that my darling, amazing, beautiful friends Trish and Kay, Crafting Cousins, and Sammie from Unicorn Dust Designs are hosting this open challenge. If you're a creator and if you love to do thrift flips, trash to treasure items, you should come and join us because we have a lot of fun every time. Links from my darling friends Trish and Kay and Sammie and their channels are in my description box. Along, we're gonna have amazing playlist with so many talented creators. Each and every one is gonna bring you lots of inspirations for you to create or even go to your local thrift store and do some makeovers. Now back to my makeover today. I took the part pieces from my chairs as well, and I'm gonna cover them with the same material. Simple as that. I cut off a square material, and just with a staple gun, I'm gonna do the edges first, and tidily I'm gonna go around the edges until the whole cushion is covered with this French print fabric. As you can see here, I was not thinking because the extra fabric on the other side was left more, and on this side I just left just a little material. But you always gotta leave an extra fabric to do the staple. As you can see, I was struggling a little bit, but it came out good to staple gun all of it, and it looked perfect. I cut off the extra material. I did the same thing for my second cushion as well, and that's it. Super easy. In a few minutes, for only 20 minutes, my breakfast bar looked completely different from the beginning. And you gotta let me know, what do you think? I didn't use any paint because my kitchen is that color, but you never know. This coming spring you might see me painting off my kitchen different colors. I'm always open for a different makeovers in my house and experiments. I am doing the same thing for my third cushion, same process, and that lines, those white lines in the middle of that black material were bothering me, but they were from the stickers and there is nothing much I can do, but they're not noticeable because they're on the bottom of our chair. And after we put the cushions back, I'm gonna do a nice cleaning with some wood cleaning sprays. Now that it's all nice and clean, it was so hard to record it, and so I can show you the frame. I mean, super easy. I'm just putting the bolts back wherever they were originally. I'm trying to figure out which part should I use. And I'm just using with a screwdriver, putting them back. Now when it's all nice and ready, you gotta let me know, do you like this new French look? I am in love with it. It looks like a little mini French coffee shop. I mean, I gotta hear it from you, not from me saying how good it looks. But I am in love with this. I'm into this French vintage look, and I think it looks such a cute makeover. And with just a little touch today, I show you how to do just a little piece from your home in very low on a budget, just for a few dollars. And before I let you go, I gotta say, Kay, Trish, Sammie, thank you so much for making me be part of this amazing playlist again this month. I love you, my ladies, and all these amazing creators in the amazing playlist. I can't wait to see what everyone made today. And my darlings, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video and always giving me the best comments. I love you all. And until our next adventure, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings from me to you. And Fiki, of course, you're gonna see him at the end of this video. Bye-bye!